Every day, thousands and thousands of people are entering into online space with the hope of making money online. But the sad truth is, 95% of them are not making any money. Rather, they are losing the money. Are you one of them? Are you someone who really wants to make money online but don't know how to get started? Or someone who has already ventured into this, but you are stuck? You have lost money, or you need honest guidance and legitimate ways to make money online, or someone who is just exploring this option. You have made the right decision to watch this video. If you stick around, you are going to get answers to each and every questions you may have. Hi, I'm Sunil Hegde. I'm the founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub. I'm a digital entrepreneur. In this episode, I'm going to discuss about how to make money online. Without further any delay, let's get into the topic. Make money online has become very, very lucrative and it is trending. Should I invest in crypto because it is hot? Rather, should I invest in NFT because it is trending? How can I make money online without any investment? How do I make money online fast, for free? You might be having so many questions. Do you want the answers? Buckle your seatbelt and focus till the end. All right. Before we dive into the topic, I want to bring it to your attention that as the industry make money online is growing so fast, there are so many people out there in the market who wants to scam you, who wants to mislead you so that they can earn money. So it is very important you make money online, but more important is you do not lose money in that process. So I want to cover from all the direction so that you can move in one direction, make money without losing the money. Yeah. First, let's look at what are the topics I'm going to cover in this episode. First, I'm going to start with 5 fundamental steps you need to follow in order to start making money online. After that, I'm going to cover 5 common mistakes to avoid so that you do not lose money. Yeah. After that, 10 ways to get started and make money. Then, ultimate formula for your success. Now, let's start with 5 fundamental steps. So, the first one is finalize one niche. If you want to serve everyone, you will not be able to serve anyone. So, it is very, very important. Depends upon your persona, your area of interest, your passion. You need to finalize one niche. If you want to know more about how to finalize your niche, I have made a detailed video somewhere above my head. You can see the link, or in the description also I have given the link. You can go and check it out. Now let's move on to the second step, which is choose your target market. Who you want to target? Who are your audiences? Whether they are local people, your city, your country, or it is going to be international. What are their demographics? What is their age? What is their gender? Each and every aspect you got to be clear. And step number 3 is build your hub. Hub is nothing but your home on the internet. When people visits you, where exactly they hang out with you. Yeah. And step number 4 is build systems and automate. If you really want to have financial freedom, you need to build systems and automate. You want to know more about how you can build systems and automate and have financial freedom and build your super profitable online business. In the description, I have given a link for a masterclass. You can go and watch that. Yeah, it is absolutely free. And the 5th step is scale your business. Once you have a clarity about niche, your target market, you have already built your hub and you have already automated through systems. Then you are going to scale your business. Now let's move on to the next section. 5 common mistakes to avoid. It is very important, as I told you earlier. Understand these 5 common mistakes so that you can avoid losing money online and become successful. Okay. Now, let's look at the first one, which is information overload. What do I mean by information overload? If you go to Google, even YouTube, you search for the term how to make money online, you will see tons of videos out there explaining the same. You can go and watch those for 24/7. 365 days, you can go learn and master those. But at the end of it, you will not take any action because you will get confused. You will get overwhelmed with the information, what is out there in the internet. And you don't know what to do next. So it is very important you follow a plan. Stick to those blueprints. I have already explained you 5 fundamental steps. Follow those steps and you'll be good. Yeah. Now, Let's look at the second one, which is chasing next shiny objects. Shiny object syndrome, it is called. People do not have patience. Today, crypto is trending, I will invest. Tomorrow, NFT is trending, let me go there. Instagram is trending, let me go and become an influencer. Affiliate marketing is lucrative, let me try that. They do not stick to one. Power of compounding, have you heard about that? When you do follow a process, repeat that process every day, then you will see a power of compounding. You'll be able to reap the benefits of your hard work. I do not recommend and I oppose getting rich quick mentality, because that is not going to happen anytime. So it is very important you do not chase next shiny objects. Stick to one thing. That is how successful entrepreneurs have built their empire. And point number 3 is nothing comes for free. Everything has a price tag in our life. If you go to YouTube and search how to make money online, you'll see hundreds of videos explaining make money without any investment, make money for free, earn $100 per day, $300 per day, $1,000 per day without doing anything. However, 90% of those are fake. They have a large followers, so many comments are happening, those channels are trending, even they will show their luxurious lifestyle, driving a Ferrari, so many things. Obviously, you will think, let me follow these guys and make money. However, you will lose money if you follow them. Yeah. So remember, there is no shortcut to success. There is no substitute hard work. If it was so easy, so many people would have been already millionaire. So remember one thing, nothing comes for free. Put the hard work, repeat the process, you'll be able to see the success. Fourth one is power of one. I tasted the success because I understood the power of one. I followed one mentor, one system, one blueprint for 90 days with lots of focus and dedication. Then only I was able to succeed. If you want to be successful, follow one system, one blueprint, one formula, rather trying so many different things. Yeah. If you haven't read the book Power of One, in the description, I have given the link for that. Go and check it out because it is very, very powerful book and must read. Yeah. Now let's look at the fifth one, which is value exchange. What the majority of the people does is, it is their biggest mistake. Each and everywhere they will try to sell to people. When people being sold, they will hate that. So it is very important you understand your target market, understand their problems, their pain points, and explain them how your product or service can solve their problem. Then, without you asking them to buy, they will approach you and buy from you. So far, we learned 5 simple steps to make money online and 5 common mistakes to avoid so that you do not lose money. I have a question for you. What was your biggest aha moment so far? Write in the comment box. Don't go anywhere. Coming up, we will see 10 powerful ways to make money online. It is going to be very, very exciting. For that, tap or click on your screen for the part 2 of this series. If you have got value out of this video so far, consider hitting a like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.